guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new to my channel. My name is Tanya and I just moved to New Zealand yesterday, and today is my first day of college. Well, actually my college started 2 weeks ago, but due to some paperwork I got stuck there, and yeah, yesterday was the earliest that I could get to New Zealand. Yesterday I went to the nearest campus from here to pick up my ID card. If you're curious, I am doing Bachelor of Nursing and I have 3 classes today. 2 classes are literally 2 hours long, and then we have 30 minutes break, I think, and then we have a 1 hour class. So yeah, my class starts at 8:30 and it's 8 now, so I'm gonna leave. I thought I'll leave early today because I am visiting the campus for the first time, and since I missed the orientation, I have no idea where my classes are. So yeah, it's 30 minutes away from here, and then yeah, let's pack my bag and then let's go.
Nominated for New Zealander of the Year. We'll ask her if she wants that top job over at the All Blacks. I'd back her. Brad Pitt's unsavoury press attention.
I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home.
Bye. Bye. Guys, I cannot find my class and I'm late.
Does that make sense? Cool. So now you can look up anyone that's registered as in New Zealand. But it's quite cool how it's so transparent, hey?
It's okay, flip it. I don't mind. Three Lamactal meds. So I take 5 epilepsy pills in the morning. My meds, I don't sleep very well, so I take that. I also take an antidepressant because, you know.
그 람바 타임 아빠 가냐냐 말. Left, right, 람바. 나빠서 다 준비. 원래 기능 준비 지점도 다 얘기 돼서.
제 준비 돼 준비경 돼 쓰게서 돼.
알아 주는 거죠.
이게서 파라디스 자나노 morto chorico.
I'm back to my own room now, and yeah, that was my first day of college. It was better than I expected. The only thing that's stressing me out is I am so much behind the schedule because I came 3 weeks late, which means I need to catch up on 3 weeks syllabus, and then they already gave 1 quiz and I have to take that as well, and then next week we have another quiz. So yeah, academic wise it's kind of stressing me out because I'm so left behind, but overall I like the college and it's pretty nice. The teachers seem to be nice, and yep, that was my first day of college. And after my class was done, we went to grocery shopping, and then I had dinner with a Tibetan community because they invited me for dinner, and we had hot pot. And I just came back to my room now. So I'm gonna spend the night writing down syllabus and trying to catch up